everyone, it's me again, Lignes, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog is we are going to unbox, wear test, impression, and honest review of this Dazzle Liptint in the shade of Smile. So let us unbox our parcel first. So this is the Dazzle Liptint in the shade of Smiley. It has a net weight of 2.5 grams or 0.09 ounce. Smiley because for me it is the lightest shade among all of the shades of Dazzle Liptint. So other shades are Swipe Up, Touch Down, and Orangee. So as you can see, I'm not wearing any lip cosmetic right now because I want you to see how this lip tint is very effective and long lasting. So now it's time to try this Dazzle lip tint in the shade of Smiley. So for best result is I'm going to apply first a lip gloss. So Dazzle lip tint is a water-based tint formula, so it's very good to use. Ang ganda talaga gamitin itong si Dazzle Liptint because it can last up to 12 hours in your lips. And also, ang maganda kasi dito guys is transfer proof siya. Ibig sabihin hindi siya. So, we are going to test this one. As you can see, wala siyang transfer na residue ng lip tint. So, wala. Transfer proof siya, mask proof. And also, waterproof din siya. So, I have here water. So, you can see, very red siya. And very high pigment din kasi itong si Dazzle Me. So, again, if Dazzle Me, check this out on your TikTok because it's available also in Shopee and this cost 89 pesos. So that's it for today's vlog. And if you have comments, suggestions, or recommendation, please don't hesitate to drop your thoughts below. All your comments are highly appreciated. And I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.